Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to talk with Exness assistant on the application of Exness app. You will go to Exness app here as you see and you can click. Then you will add your passcode like this. Then you will go to this window of profile. Here you will go to social trade and you will choose, for example, for professional traders. Here in this page, we go to about this sign as you see and you can click. And here as you see, you will find your Exness assistant and you can ask him anything you want about trading. For example, how to trade or anything you want. You can talk with him here and he will answer you. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.